y'all? It's me. It's the N.D.T show. Today's episode I like to call BUC-E Snacks.
You know what time it is? It's time for another exciting episode of the N.D.T show. Yeehaw!
Hello, you know what time it is? Folks, it is time to take my first try ever at Beaver nuggets from BUC-EE'S. I've never ate any whatsoever before in my life. Now, we went and visited BUC-EE'S the other day. For the first time I've ever been there at any BUC-EE'S was in Sevierville, Kodak, Tennessee, Pigeon Forge area, 407 exit. You can see that video in the link description below if you want to see the visitation video. Here also is the beef, some of the beef jerky that they had. We just picked one pack. They had millions and millions of it. We got the hot and spicy. My wife's never been into it. As you see, it's already open. But here I go, trying this. See if these snacks are a yummy or dummy product, in my opinion. So let's take a bite. Let's take a peek. You want to? Get old water out there. That's what it looks like inside. Look at that. Yeah. Good. Made from solid strops of beef. Spicy. BUC-EE'S beef jerky is a little taste of country. Some even say it's world famous, made from solid strips of beef and smoked in Texas. It is the memory of home while you're out on the road. All flavors means we will be something for everyone. So try one of them all. We'll think you'll be mighty glad you did. That's good. Yeah, I'll keep it real fast. I'll take a picture of the ingredients and whatnot here. That is spicy. But good flavor. Really good flavor. Fresh too. It's not like real hard like, you know. Yummy on that. Yummy product. Hot and spicy beef jerky from BUC-EE'S. It's a yummy. It ain't no dummy. Now, on to BUC-E nuts or Beaver nuggets. Smells like syrup. Yeah, it smells like a waffle or a pancake. I also will take a picture of the ingredients here. Here we go. Let's see if this is yummy or dummy. Definitely take the syrup. Crunchy flavor. Tastes like syrup. A hard Cheeto, very Cheeto. Basically, it tastes like a Cheeto. The texture of it. With a side of waffles or pancake with some syrup on it. That's good. I enjoy it. I say yummy. It ain't no dummy. Eat this other one, pie. I say both of them a yummy product. That's just my opinion. There are yummies. There ain't no dummies. That wraps it up from the N.D.T show. That wraps it up, I said, from the N.D.T show. To y'all out there in the world, wherever you may be, good morning, good day, and good night.
Thanks, y'all, for watching that exciting episode of the N.D.T show. We'll catch you on the next one.
Wait. Don't click off just yet. I forgot about these. My wife's already been in these too. Look at these. Bites. Nutty Bites. We got these also. So let's taste these out. Let's see what these look like. Taste like. Little square Nutty Bites. Salted caramel cashew almonds. Well, not bad. You can taste the salted caramel, no doubt. I love the almonds. I'm not a cashew fan. I really don't like cashews. So with that being said, that's a dummy product. That is a dummy. Big calls. Now, if you like cashews, this is awesome for a cashew fan. I can taste like cashew. And for that reason, I'm rating it a dummy. That is a dummy product. Just for me. And don't forget to get you some beaver nuggets.